shower is switched off as well.
Yeah,
obviously
just,
in there.
Yeah.
Make sure that's switched off, that's out the way. And obviously that can turn as well.
Yeah.
So make sure it's over the top of the sink, then you can switch the water pump on.
Right.
Then what I tend to do is just open it up on the cold side, just make sure I've got water running.
Yeah, yeah.
Especially if you've drained it before. Then to fill the hot water tank, turn it to the hot side of your tap. Then open it up. Okay? You may take, if you've drained it previously, it will take a couple of minutes to get the air out of the system and out of that tank. That tank is a 10 litre tank. Yeah. So it's a 10 litre tank. If you drained it previously, obviously it's 10 litres of air that's got to come out through that tank.
Right.
Okay? So once you've got a solid stream like that,
yeah,
then you know your hot water tank is full. Okay? Do the same with each tap, just to make sure you get the air out of the system. If you don't get the air out of the system, the pump will continue to run for a period of time because it works off pressure. So as soon as you open the tap, that opens the pressure, the pump will come on. If you've still got air in it, it'll take that little bit longer to squash it down to stop. If it's got water, it'll stop a lot quicker. Okay?
So, yeah.
Yeah.
So if it's, so the only time you're going to have to wait for it to get the air out is if you've drained that tank.
Yes. Yeah. Yeah. So yeah, once your system's empty, obviously it's going to be full of air. You've got to purge it out through that tap.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
Right. Happy with that bit so far?
I think so.
Good. So when we do that, the next thing you're possibly likely to do is switch the heating system on, or the water heating system on, which is this control panel around the corner, which is a fun one as well. Right. So we've got two controls here.
Yeah.
Right. So we've got one on the left, which is just energy. The one on the right is the power. You've just seen that. There's got nothing there. Oh, there we go. Right. Okay. So this one is to control what you want to do. So heating water or the room, or heating hot water and the room. Okay. So that centre bit was off.
Yeah.
If I put it to there, so the outer ring is turned to 60 degrees now.
Yeah.
So that's 60 degrees water. So hot water on its own, no heating in the room.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
That one's water heating again on its own.
Yeah.
As I said, that centre is off.
Oh.
That one there is heating. So we see. You just see it's flashing. Just get it out of the flashing. So that flame is not gas; it's heating. Okay. So that on this side is indicating heating.
Right.
Okay. On its own, that is indicating heating and hot water on.
Together.
Hot water and heating, yeah.
Together.
Okay.
Yeah. So that's the highest point it'll go with the water alone.
Yeah.
That's like a
low
one. That's off.
Yeah.
That's heating. That's heating on its own, and that's heating in water.
That's it.
And what's all these? So the number? Oh,
yeah, the number is actually thermostat.
Itself,
yeah. So that's your thermostat.
Yeah, yeah.
So one obviously being the lowest. So that's for your heating.
Okay.
All right.
Just tell me about this one again.
Yeah. Well, that's the energy you're going to use to operate the boiler. Okay. So
is it like having it on high, low, medium? Is it that?
It's operation on gas or gas and electric or gas on its own. So at the moment it's on electric 2. Okay. Right. Electric 2 is roughly 2 kilowatts. It is slightly less than that. Okay. If you remember, 2 is 2 kilowatts.
Okay.
1 kilowatt.
Yeah.
Gas. So if you see that orange light just went out then.
Yeah.
That's to say it's connected to electric. So if you haven't got your electric plugged in on the outside, but that orange light's not there when you're trying to operate on electric, it's not obviously going to be operating on electric. So if you're on a site that's got no electric, you're not going to be using them.
Okay. So with that, could you only have it on them 2 settings there if you're plugged in?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah. So
that's
electric
where it's coming from there.
That's it. Yeah. So it's electric.
So if you was in a lay-by or wherever, that's what you'd be on one of these.
We'd have to be gas.
You'd have to be gas. Yeah.
Yeah. So that would be that one.
And would that light up or anything? Does that tell you, other than it pointing to there?
Yeah. Well, what will indicate on here is if it goes red, or we see a red flashing light, that means the gas hasn't lit.
Okay.
So that would be the only indicator that it wasn't working.
Okay.
All right. Apart from it still being cold inside the van, if it was cold.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. Electric 1 and gas, and electric 2 and gas. So these electrics here, you can operate electric and gas together.
Why would you do that?
Reasons for that are, right, if we just go back to say, if we're in the summer, roughly 2 kilowatts of electric will be sufficient enough to heat your hot water.
Okay.
Okay. In the winter, 2 kilowatts is not a huge amount of power. If you compare that to a kettle at home, which is heating up, 1.5, 2 litres of water, that's probably about 2 kilowatts.
Okay.
It's not heating your kitchen.
Okay.
Right?
Yeah.
So if you imagine that, so that's why.
It depends on the ambient temperature.
Exactly. Yeah. If you're trying to heat that boiler there is trying to heat 10 litres of water and this room,
Yeah,
all in one unit.
Yeah,
so
yeah.
2 kilowatts on its own is not really going to give you that much.
Yeah.
It'll give you some warmth,
Yeah.
but it might not get the temperature you require.
Yeah.
Right. So gas on its own, or an option of both. If you're using the options of both, what it will do is use both energies from cold to get up to temperature. Then it'll turn the gas off and tick over on electric.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Until someone like myself leaves the door wide open, temperature drops.
Yeah.
It's going to need the gas to bring the
To
temperature
bring
back.
it back up again.
Okay.
Yeah.
So you have got some other indicator lights there as well. Green light, that's to say the system's running okay. So that's where the red light you will see if it's not. So if the gas fails, all you do is just switch it off. So it's just bring it back round to the zero there.
Yeah.
Check, one, you have turned your gas on.
Yeah.
2, you have got gas.
Yeah.
3, the reset button, just
Yeah.
make sure that's on as well.
Yeah.
Okay,
And
what
make
you could
sure
do is
it's
fire your cook up just to see you've got gas running.
Yeah.
Then if it is, all it could be is just air in the system then. So all you do is you're going to have to purge it out. So it's switched off, leave it for about half a minute, then switch it back on again. It may fail again, so switch it off again.
Until you
Yeah,
clear
and give it another minute. And that will be trying to purge the air out of the system then.
Okay.
Okay?
Yeah.
I'm just trying to see. It's all green. Normally you'll probably see another amber light there. That amber light would be to denote that it's on the heat up time. Okay?
The
So
phase.
it's in the warm up phase, so it hasn't reached temperature yet. But
Okay.
obviously it has reached temperature on the water anyway.
Yeah.
Okay?
Okay.
What I'll do now, I'll shut it off. I'll show it. Oh, I bet he won't do it now. He was doing it before. You see a green light flashing there, okay, when you turn it off, that's on the cool down phase. So if you've had the boiler flat out,
Yeah. Yeah.
and it's time you want to move, so either you're going out in the motorhome somewhere or you're going home, you turn that to there. If that's still flashing green, do not switch the control panel off until that stops,
Okay.
because it's on the cool down phase. If you switch the 12 volt systems off, if the fan was running to cool it down, obviously it won't be.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Obviously the heating system,
Yeah.
depending on what temperature it could be at that point,
So it could
it
take
might,
forever to cool down.
it shouldn't take too long,
Oh, okay.
but don't switch it off when it's red hot.
No.
Okay?
Yeah.
Right, talking about the fan, obviously the fan, you can obviously hear it's not working, not operating at the moment. I'm just seeing if I can get that fan. Yeah, that's the green flashing light you will see.
Yeah.
I don't know because it's quite warm in here already, the fan might not come on. The fan only operates, so this is the fan that bringing warm air into your van.
Yeah.
That will only operate when it needs to. So if temperature's already warm in your van,
Yeah.
the fan's not going to come on.
Just like a thermostat.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
So look, I did have it running first thing because I heard it, because it was a bit cooler first thing, but it's obviously warmed up in here now. No, it's not going to do it. No, it's too warm in here, so it won't kick in.
So in the summer then,
So in the summer, all you're going
summer.
to need is like warm water probably.
like that.
Yeah, so that's
Oh.
that's heating now.
Oh, sorry.
Yeah. So you're probably you're more than likely just going to use the water heating in the summer unless it drops
Yeah.
Yeah.
cooler. Then you just
Yeah,
put it
yeah.
on either that or just put it on that or anyway.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And that's on full electric,
Yeah.
lower electric,
Yeah.
gas only,
Yeah.
gas electric,
Yeah.
and higher gas electric.
That's it. Right. Is it? Easy as that.
Yeah.
He says. He says.
I get the gist
I'm
of
going to
it,
test
yeah.
you when you get
It's
home.
just a case of
Yeah.
practice, isn't it?
we
Really?
got a test yet. Where's the paper?
Yeah.
Stuart didn't tell you, mate. Yeah. Okay, happy with that,
Yeah.
yeah?
Yeah.
As far as you can be, yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
It's one of the things, once you play with it a few times,
Yeah, yeah.
have you got this at home? You can,
Yeah.
Yeah.
So you get it at home, use it, play with it,
Yeah.
just
Get used to it.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
Alright.
Fair enough, yeah.
Right, if we just have a look down here, so that's your cover for your sink.